Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Irish Off-Road. I'm Brian, and today, more like tonight, I am hitting the Rubicon Trail. We're going to do a little night run, meeting some buddies, and I got up here a little bit late. So as you can tell, I still like filming in the dark, and that's what I'm doing. So let's go. Alright guys, good morning. This is it's a quick trip for us today. Mainly just because we've all got a lot of things going on. But happy 4th of July. Just going for a quick walk and enjoying all this. That's amazing. So we'll be out here for a couple hours. Get a couple of videos of wheeling and then back home.